Hi everyone. Welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to teach you how to create a GIF animation using a video file. For this purpose, we use Adobe Photoshop software. We open the software. From the File section, select the Import option and then Video Frames to Layers. Select the desired video file and then open it. In this section you can specify how much of the video file you want to select. For example, I select the first few seconds of the video. Be sure to check the Make Frame Animation option. Click OK. As you can see, the video file was entered into the software frame by frame. If you do not see the timeline at the bottom of the window, you can activate it through the Window option. Click on Play. Here you can add frames to the timeline or delete frames. In this section you can specify how many times your GIF will be played. If you select Forever, your GIF will play continuously. You can also set the playback time of each frame. To output in GIF format, from the File section, select the Export option and then Save for Web. In this section, by clicking on the preview we can see the output GIF. Finally, click on Save. Click Save. The operation was completed successfully. We close the software. Well, let's check the created GIF file. As you can see, the GIF file was created correctly. Let's check the file format created. As you can see, the format of the created file is GIF. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. Thanks for watching this video.